This is carpet blower machine. This time they have given there is some feature in this, that is inbuilt timer. You have to plug this. Now you can see this rotary switch is there. Now effect of this floor is just like this. Yeah. Increase the speed. Yes. Yeah. You can see the pressure of this blower. You can rotate, and the timer also there. It's almost 3 hours timer. You can put it in this zero and up to 90 minutes timer you can fix with this. So generally we recommend to better go with the 1.5 not 60 to 90 minutes timer. This time is designed very beautifully. Stainless steel. Yeah, this is a good machine now. It's a carpet blower machine.